Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to activate your Kikoff credit accounts. Alright, let's get straight into the video because it's going to be a really quick one. So first thing you want to do is to log into your Kikoff account, and then once you're logged into your account, you just want to click on activate credit accounts. Next, you're going to enter the required information, including your name, address, and of course your social security number. Next, you're going to review and agree to the credit account terms and conditions. And once that's done, just verify your identity by answering the security questions. And then you got to set up your credit account security questions and answers for security reasons, of course. And once that's done, you want to review and understand the credit account's terms and conditions. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to activate your Kikoff credit account. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that already, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.